Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. So today we're going to see how to insert this like emoji in Google Docs. So you have two options to insert these emojis. So you just click on the insert option here. You can see an emoji option here. You just click here. You can see the symbol, smiley and emotions, and there's a lot of other emojis, and here the happy emojis, party emojis. You can click on the plus symbol. You can add the emojis that actually you using regularly, and there is a category of emojis here. You can click here and you can use it, and just click this like this. You can click and insert the emojis. So the other way to insert emojis, go to the insert option here and go to the special character. Now so there is a category. You just want to click on the option here and click on the emoji, so you can see the emojis. And why I just want to choose this insert special character, because you can search by drawing the emojis. For an example, I just going to draw a emoji like this. You can see the emojis outcome, and you can also insert the emojis how many times that you want. Can insert emojis repeatedly, but if you select the insert option and click on emoji, you can insert a single emoji. But in insert option, go to the special character, you can insert emoji infinitely. You can insert emoji how much that you want. Repeatedly you can insert the emojis. So I think this will help you for making your document. So try this on Google Docs now, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below for watch more videos about Google Docs tutorial here.